Hello everyone. Today we are going to see chapter 2 exercise 2.4. Let me get into the exercise. The first problem, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now is obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? First, Amina is thinking about a number and she is subtracting 5 by 2 from that number. Finally, what she is getting, again she is multiplying with 8 and finally she is getting 3 times of the number she thought. Okay, now we are going to find what number she thought. First, let the number be x. We are taking the number as x. So by the question, we are forming one equation. The number, she is subtracting 5 by 2, then she is multiplying with 8. Finally, she is getting third time of the number, 3 times of the number. So 3x. So the 8 is common for the bracket. So 8x multiply minus 8 into 540 divided by 2 equal to 3x. So take the x into one side. So 8x, the plus 3x will come this side, minus 3x is equal to 40 by 2. So 5x is equal to 20. X equal to 20 divided by 5. X is equal to 4. 1 5 is 5. 4 5s are 20. So the number is 4. So Amina thought of the number 4. Is it clear? Nothing but read out the question and form that statement into algebraic form. Okay, then solve that question. Your second problem. A positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers become twice the other new number. What are all the numbers? Two numbers are there. The one is 5 times another number. Okay, then we are adding 21 to the both the numbers. Then one of the new number become twice the other new number. One new number become twice the other new number. Okay, now we will see. Let one of the positive number be x. The other number will be 5 times of that positive number, so 5x. So by the question we are adding 21 to both the number. Finally, the one is twice of the other. So 5x plus 21 equal to 2 into x plus 21. So 5x plus 21, 2 is common for the bracket. So multiply the 2, 2x plus 42. So 5x, the plus 2x will come this side, minus 2x is equal to 42. The plus 21 will come this side, minus 21. So 5 minus 2, 3x is equal to 21. X is equal to 21 divided by 3, x is equal to 7. So one number, the positive number x is equal to 7. What is the other number? 5x. So 5 into 7, which gives 35. So the two numbers are 7 and 35. Is it clear? The one positive number is x, the another positive number is 5x. So 7, 5 into 7, 35. Next, sum of the digits of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digits, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So listen carefully. The 2-digit number is there. We are adding the digits. So we are getting 9. Okay. After interchanging the digit, we are finding that the new number is greater than the original number by 27. Okay. So now see, the digits at 10th place. 2-digit I told. So it will have 1's place and 10's place. In 10's place we are taking x. And that 1's place we are taking 9 minus x. So after interchanging, what we will get? 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Because 10th place into 9 minus x plus 1's place x. So by the question, we form that 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27 equal to 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Okay, multiply the 10 inside. So 10x plus 9 minus x plus 27 equal to 90 minus 10x plus x. So bring that x one side. 9x plus 36 is equal to 90 minus 9x. So 9x minus 9x will come this side, plus 9x equal to 90 minus 36. So 18x is equal to 54. So x is equal to 54 divided by 8. X is equal to 3. Now substitute in that equation, find the value of original number. Next, fifth question. Sobo's mother present age is 6 times Sobo's present age. Sobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's percentage. What are their percentages? Okay, first Sobo's mother percentage is 6 times Sobo's percentage. Okay, two things are there, one is Sobo, another one is Sobo's mother. So Sobo's mother age is 6 times of Sobo's age. After 5 years 3 times it will be. So first take the present age of Sobo is x, then the mother's age is 6x. After 5 years, now you are 10 years old, means after 5 years 15, so you add the 5. Likewise now x, so after 5 years x plus 5. So by the question, x plus 5 equal to 1/3 into x 6x. We are cancelling the 3 and 6, 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6. So x plus 5 equal to 2x. So 2x, the plus x will come this side, minus x is equal to 5. So x equal to 5. So Sobo's age be taken as x. So Sobo's age is 5 years. And Sobo's mother's age 6x. Right? So 6 into 5 will gives you 30 years. Is it clear? Sobo's age is 5 years and Sobo's mother age is 6 into x, which is 6 into 5, 30 years. Right? So our next question. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in Maholi village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate rupees 10 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat 75,000 rupees to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? It's nothing but there is a rectangular plot is there. The length and breadth I've given in the ratio, which is 11:4. Okay. For per meter, it is cost rupees 100 to put fence. So totally how much they are spending to put fence? 75,000. Now they are asking the dimension. Dimension is nothing but length and breadth. So let us take the rectangular plot. Length is 11x and the breadth is 4x. In the question they have given. Now per meter they are spending rupees 100. Totally how much they are spending? 75,000. First we should find the perimeter. Why? Because we are putting the fence outside the plot. So perimeter. So perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. So 2 into 11x plus 4x. So 2 into 15x, which is 30x. Okay. So total fencing cost 30x into 100. Why we are multiplying into 100? Because per meter they are spending 100 rupees. That's why we are multiplying 30x into 100. Is it clear? Is it clear? For example, 1 chocolate is 5 rupees. So 3 chocolate will be 3 into 5. So 15 rupees. The same thing we are applying here. So by the question, 30x into 100 equal to total how much they are spending? 75,000. So 30x, the into 100 will go that side, multiply, divided by 100. So 75,000 divided by 100 will gives you 750. So 30x is equal to 750. X is equal to 750 divided by 30. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 1 3 is 3. 25 3s are 75. Is it clear? Next, x is equal to 25 we found out. Now we have to find the dimensions. So length is equal to 11x. So 11 into 25, 275 meter. Next, breadth is 4x. 4 into 25, which is 100 meter. So we found out the dimensions, which is 275 meter length and the breadth is 100 meter. Is it clear? Dimension is nothing but we have to find our length, breadth and all. Okay? Yes. Then your 8th question, half of a herd of a deer are grazing in the field and 3/4 of the remaining are playing nearby. The rest 9 are drinking water from the pond. Find the number of deer in the herd. Okay. There are half of a head of a deer. Totally how much deers are there in the herd we are going to find out. In the total, half are grazing in the field. 3/4 of the remaining playing. So first total number of deer be x we are taking. How much they are grazing in the field? Half. So x by 2. Next, nearby, playing nearby, how much are playing nearby? How many deers are playing nearby? 3/4 of the nearby remaining. So 3/4 means 3 by 4 into x minus x by 2. If we cancel this, what we will get? 3 by 4 into x by 2, which is 3x by 8. 9 drinking water. So according to the question, if we add, totally we will get. So x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9 equal to x. Okay. In a class, 30 girls, 20 boys. What are the total strength? 30 plus 20. Okay. Likewise, here we are to find the total number of deer, we are adding x by 2 plus 3x by 8 plus 9 equal to x. See, the denominators are different. First, we have to find the LCM of the denominator. So, 2 and 4 denominator is 8. So, x by 2 into 4 by 4, 4x by 8. Next, the second fraction, 3x by 8 into 1 by 1, which is 3x by 8. Now, the denominators are equal. Now, we can add 4x plus 3x by 8 plus 9 equal to x. 4x plus 3x, 7x by 8 plus 9 equal to x. Okay. Bring that 7x by 8 to the right hand side. So, x plus 7x by 8 will comes this side, minus 7x by 8 equal to 9. So, taking LCM, 8x minus 7x by 8 is equal to 9. The 8 is in division. It will go that side, it will become multiplication. So, 8 minus 7 will gives you 1. So, x is equal to 9 into 8. So, x is equal to 72. X means the total number of deer in the herd. So, totally 72 deers in the herd. Right? So, next, a grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. He is also 54 years older than her. Find their present ages. See here, two members are here. One is grandfather and granddaughter. That grandfather is 10 times older than his granddaughter. Okay. And another hint they have given, he is also 54 years older than her. Okay. Now we will make, let the age of the granddaughter be x and the grandfather be 10x by the question. Now, the grandfather 50 years older than her, right? So, by the question, how can we make 10x? Grandfather age, 10x is equal to x, her age, plus 54. Okay? So, 10x, the plus x will comes this side, minus x is equal to 54. So, 10 minus 1, 9x is equal to 54. X is equal to 54 divided by 9, which is x. X is equal to 6. So, age of grandfather is equal to 10x. So, 10 into 6, 60 years. Age of granddaughter is equal to x. X is nothing but 6 years. Is it clear? The only thing you have to read out the question clearly and you have to convert the statement into algebraic form. Okay? Here granddaughter and grandfather, and we solve that, find the value of x. Next, Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. Find their present ages. The same thing. Here Aman and Aman's son. Okay. Aman's age is 3 times his son's age. 10 years ago. Ago means before. 10 years ago, he was 5 times his son's age. So, find their present age. Now, we are going to find their present ages. First, let Aman's son's age x. Next, Aman age is 3x. Okay. By the question, 5 into x minus 10 equal to 3x minus 10. Multiply the 5 inside. 5x minus 5 into 10, 50 equal to 3x minus 10. So, 5x, the plus 3x will come this side, minus 3x is equal to minus 10 plus 50. Okay. So, 5 minus 3 will gives you 2x. 2x is equal to 50 minus 10, 40. So, x is equal to 40 by 2, which is 20. So, x is equal to 20, we found out. So, Aman's son's age x, which is 20 years. Then, what is Aman's age? 3x. So, 3 into 20 will gives you 60 years. Is it clear? Aman's age is 20 years and Aman's age is 60 years. Aman's son age is 20 years. Right? Because in the question they have given those details. Thank you so much for watching this video. The remaining thing we will continue in our next class. Thank you so much.